Hello everyone, my name is Arshi Amin. I am a certified teacher. Currently, I am working in Mahadevi Birla World Academy. I am the in charge of the Open Sky Learning Center. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day as this day is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. It is usually said that a nation which does not invest in its children does not have a future. It is doomed because without a good and strong foundation, its future looks very pale. I believe that teachers are the second parents. We play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring our students. Every student tries to imitate their teachers. Now the question is, what really makes a good teacher? I firmly believe that a good teacher is patient. They are good communicators. They show empathy. Most importantly, teachers value real-world learning. As a teacher, I also believe that we teachers should counsel every student if we see a change in their behavior. We should be empathetic as it helps to understand the issues from the student's perspective. I am extremely fortunate to work in this learning center and also to have such bright and cheerful students. I enjoy taking class here as all the children take keen interest in whatever I teach them. I also believe that if we teachers work hard and also we put effort with a lot of loyalty, dedication and sincerity, we will definitely improve the quality of education. It is very important to bring change in the lives of our student. Counseling is also a major role that plays in a teacher's life. I believe that during this pandemic, many of us have been affected very badly. There are a lot of students who are discouraged. They don't get a chance to speak out their problems. But here in this institute, I want all the students to come up to us and share their problems with us. We as teachers also believe that imparting knowledge is just not a role of a teacher, but a role of a teacher is also to help their students, to make them comfortable, to help them in this real life situation where they can share their problems with us, and we as teachers hear them patiently and help them in coming out of these problems. I believe in order to be a successful teacher, we all need to be very patient. We all need to be a very good listener. We have to be fair in all the decisions that we make. The method of teaching in this institute is just not teacher-centric method. I personally as a teacher always allow my students to question me, to ask whatever queries they have, to share their problems with me. If they face any problems, they are free to tell me about their problems. Lastly, I believe that teaching is not less than parenting. Students are like raw mud, and it is a teacher who molds them. We teachers are the role models for our children. We need to be very patient. We need to be very loving towards them. It is also important that a teacher should have a stern look, but she should be approachable. Children should feel comfortable when they come to class, not afraid of their teachers. I am very fortunate that I am a teacher, and I promise that I would definitely bring a change in our society. Thank you.